Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. In today's video guys, we're going to show you how to wash your wheels for really cheap and really good way. So you can see we got that rack beamer from a car auction. Videos coming soon, you'll find more information. But okay, check out the wheels, how nasty those things are. Okay, and it just I can't stand that thing. So I'll show you guys what we use, very inexpensive, and how to do it. The most important thing, stay out of the sunshine, no sunshine, okay, because the product that we use, it should never dry on the wheel. So we're using Purple Power guys, this is it. You can buy it in a gallon, you can buy it in a spray bottle, very inexpensive. And you can see you can use it on auto, home, industry, farm, it's really good stuff. And we just put concentrated formula in a spray bottle. We didn't dilute any water or anything like that. And what we're going to do, you can rinse your wheel off, preferably if you want to, but I don't want to do that, just for the video to show you how that thing works now. Okay, we're going to spray it, but you always have to stay out of the sunshine. Because if the product dries on the wheels, it might leave spots and you have to polish them. But that's pretty much any degreaser. Okay, so or anything you do, even when you wax your car, you're supposed to be out of the sunshine. So what we're going to do guys, okay, I'm going to spray it and let it sit for a minute or two. Okay, I'll do my fender liners as well here, so all that will be clean. Okay, and you can see the nasty stuff started coming off the wheel now. Okay, we will let it soak for a minute and we'll come back. So we get a soft long bristle brush like here. Okay, and we're going to go ahead, okay, and just brush the wheel. You can do it, okay, with a microfiber towel as well. It's important not to have sand on the wheels because otherwise you're going to scratch them. Okay, and you can see nasty stuff started coming out. Okay, here the long brush is really convenient, okay, for the lug nuts. We'll keep doing that to the rest and show you the end result. Alright guys, so we're done brushing. You can get a towel, we got a little bit of a towel. There will be a few spots left because that's a high spots of brake dust that we're going to polish later. So let's go ahead. Okay, wash it now. And let me show you the water coming out of the wheels. This is just unbelievable. We haven't done this one yet. Okay, the rear one will clean like brand new because it doesn't have any build-up. It's just brake dust, fresh brake dust. Okay, so check it out now guys. How much better that thing is. So just a quick way guys to show you, okay, how you can clean your wheel for very inexpensive price. You can see we have around the valve stem a little bit left there, so I'll have to go ahead and polish it there, but as a whole looks amazing. So thank you for watching, please subscribe and many more videos to come. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels guys, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.